everyone, now it's our fiber laser cutting machine show time. Welcome to Londio channel. I will introduce all details for our fiber laser cutting machine right now. Let's see with our camera. Okay, first one, let's see LD3015E. It's with full closed cover design and it's changeable table. The machine is running right now. For this case, we have anti-radiation glasses, also with two sides. It's easy for monitor and also protection operator healthy. Here is the camera to monitor the machine running situation. Also very easy for folks on the machine working. This one we use CapCut controller with this remote DSP controller. It's very easy to use and easy operate, easy for learn. This machine power is 3 kW. And laser generator we use China Max. You also can choose a German IPD. For the laser head, we use WSX. And the brand, you also choose re-choose for your own use. This machine, 3 sides with servomotor and reducer. The transmission is helical rock with Taiwan YYC and Taiwan Highwind or SHAC guide rail. It's very stable. Later we will show this machine cutting performance for 60mm carbon steel. Okay?
好了。
Okay, let's see another part for this machine. Here is independent cabinet with air condition. This one is the laser generator max. And there is a chiller for laser head and the laser generator. Now let me introduce our humanized design, this air cabinet. Here is air condition to cooling for all cabinets inside. Also, here is special design for this part. For this bottom part is for laser generator stay. You can put your laser generator to there, and this air condition working will be cooling this air condition, this laser generator too. It's very easy for protection the laser generator. Hope you like our machine and make more order with our company. Thank you. Okay, now let's see LD3015S, the single table design. It's most popular model in our company all over the world. With this one, the laser power is 1,500 watts. Also, its same laser generator is China Max. Also, you can choose German IPG. For the laser head, we use WSX, and another choice is re-choose. This one also with independent cabinet. Another choice is the Rocco style for the computer with control system. This one, the transmission is YYC guide rail, YYC helical rock, and SHAC guide rail. Also with Italy Innova servo motor and Japan Beto reducer. It's very simple to use and easy for delivery. Here we will show the machine for carbon steel cutting and stainless steel fly cutting.
或者你斜着背，斜着背。
一点儿，它的精度随便一动好，好了吗？5点多。
画像
这纯色的。
Okay, let's see the big one in my right hand. It's 30 kilowatt laser generator. It's very high power, especially suited for thick metal cutting. For example, it can support over 100 millimeter stainless steel. Also, you can use this high power for air cutting with high speed. This one is LD6025 exchangeable model. With this one, we use 30 kilowatt laser generator for high power, and it's shoot for thick metal cutting. For this machine, the control system is HapCut 8000. With a remote. The laser head is can choose German plated. For the machine, the table is exchangeable design. It's very convenient for different material cutting and for high efficiency. It will improve your cutting efficiency. This machine, the gantry uses aircraft aluminum structure with high power pressed together. It's very stable structure. For this machine, the whole bed is a hollow structure. It's very helpful to protection this machine stably after high power and long time working. All our fiber laser machines use flat welding frame. This machine will improve the whole machine quality and its support heavy duty. Even 1 kilowatt, we also use a steel plate welding bed. So trust us, trust our machines. You will get professional and high speed fiber laser cutting machine. Okay, now let's see our Piper laser cutting machine. This model is LDT 6522 models. It supports 6.3 meters length pipe, and the max diameter will be 220 millimeters. This machine adopt to triangle, square, oval shape cutting, D shape, H beam, and H beam, C beam, channel steel, and angle steel cutting. This model will choose reduced 3D laser head part with anti-radiation glasses for protection. Here is our control system. This one is a CapCut 5000 with 3D nesting control system, nesting software. Here is the monitor. This screen is 27-inch. Can make them together. That's all. This model is high quality design. Here is the floating support system. This one will make sure this long pipe in same level. And this part is automatic centering system. When we loading the material, it will be insert this pipe in the center of this cracks. And these two parts will ensure whole machine stable cutting and improve cut precision. That's all. Now let's see the front trucks. It's double groups here, and the total 8 clouds. This 8 pieces will better than 4 pieces. Make the pipe more tightly to cut and ensure the cut precision. Here is our floating tails support. When you finish the cut, these pieces will come out, and here one piece will to find the cut pieces with different angles. Then put here. It's mainly supported for H-beam steel. H-beam steel. That's all. Okay, now let's see the machine cutting performance. Welcome to Londio channel. Today we will show the top sell CNC models, CNC routers in our company to everybody. Now look at our camera. Look at my right hand. This machine is designed for metal fabrication function, especially for aluminum, for brush, for copper millings, and 3D engravings. This machine working side is 1.6 to 3.1 meters. And for this spindle is 7.5 water cooling. And the table is the vacuum pump with the dust collections. Is we make some cover for protection the spindle pieces, avoiding the waters and the aluminum pieces or metal pieces touch your skin. This part is the water tank. At the water tank here, when working on metal, the water needs cooling on the blade. It also will make sure the working very smoothly. all machine, the 3-axis is use both screw, make sure it's table moving. And here is the protection case for guardrail for box screws. And this part for dust waters and the metal pieces. And that part is our water cooling vacuum pump. Because for this working, the water cooling will circle system with the water in the water tank. From this part back to the vacuum pump. And here is the signal lights. When it's yellow color means the machine is stopped here. When it's green color means the machine is moving, working. If they come out white color means they have some problem or machine have some signal error to stop the machine. All the machines we use Japan Yaskawa servo motor, and the inventor is the Italy Innova. Also, all the components is Schneider. Now watch our video. Here is the finished sample for aluminium 3D engraving. Look at this touch very smoothly, very smoothly, and the shape is very clearly. Okay, this is the LD 6000 control system. It's the way home NK 3300 model. Here, this part is the screen. This part is the keyboard to modify this all data for this. And here is the emergency stop panel. And here is the switch for power on and power off. Here is a special design for spindle modify. And here is the 3-axis moving keyboard. And this part is the handler. This one can training for mini space or mini step moving for XYZ axis. Okay, let's see the cabinet inside. For the control system part, it is the way home control board. And here is the driver for servo motor. Here is the inverter for spindle. And here is the cabinet for switch. And this is the switch power supply. Use the Taiwan Mingwei. And all cables is very simple. It's the top bright from Shanghai Yichu. Here is 3 fans to cooling this cabinet and make sure all parts can working in stable temperature and make sure all components working longer time. And here is the connector, the outlines here for connection. This power insert here is come out for vacuum pump. Okay. Now let's see our industrial sensor rotor LD 7000, and this one the spindle use Italy Hataco 90-watt air cooling spindle, and this machine, the whole bed and the frame is use honeycomb cast iron structure. It's very heavy. It's totally working for any heavy duty job. Mainly we use on this machine for metal fabrication, advertising, woodworking, structure directions, decoration. This area, this industry, and also it's all support the motor industry. Here the special design is the basic automatic tool changer.
it supports 8 pieces, 2 chains. Here is the tooth holder to support for 2 chains. And this part is dust hat to avoiding these dust pieces from this spindle. All axes of this machine use both screw, and this support people moving. Look at this table. It's around 3 centimeters aluminum board with vacuum table. There is a T-slot to fix the small pieces. Here is the sample we made by this machine. It's for highlight quality cutting. This one is the medium part and engraving. And we cutting this part. After cut, we change the tool automatic to polishing these pieces to this part. Make sure this pieces is very clear and pure light.
Now let's see our LD 6000, the design for advertising industry. And it's very familiar with our metal sensor rotor in that side with the aluminum engraving. And this one is mainly working for wood, PVC, acrylic, MDF, ACB board, brush, and also the other soft material. This one is acrylic. We make a sample to show the machine working performance. And this one is 7.5 kW air cooling spindle. Here is linear tap automatic to changer. We support 4 pieces magazine right now, and also can be 6 pieces magazines. And the control system we use is Wihong NK 280. This table also use vacuum working table with T-slot for small pieces material. All our machine with automatic lubrication for 3 axes for guard rail and 4 cylinders. It's make sure this part working longer and working smoothly. Mainly, our machine is very good for cut precision. For this sample, you can see it's very smooth in the cut effect, cut piece edge. It's very smooth. And this sample mainly working for mini LED signboard. Normally, our customer will drilling in this backside with piece for LED lights. And here, when the lights power on, this part will be lighting. You can see this signboard over the street. Let's see our star model. It's LD 5000. Every year we export this model over 1,000 pieces. This one have 2 choices. You can choose automatic to changer or not. We have auto ATC function or without ATC. For this one, if you use ATC function, the spindle will be 7.5 cooling spindle. It can optional choose Italy high-tech 9 kW air cooling spindle. For the without ATC function, we install for 6,000 water cooling 6 kW water cooling spindle. And for this one, it's gantry moving. The working size can be 4 8 feet, 5 10 feet, and bigger. we also accept customize for different size. It can be long, can be 10 or 12 length meters for the y-axis. Also for the z-axis, for the x-axis, it can be 3 meters. For now, this one is 4 and 8 feet. We use auto walking table with T-slot, and the controller is WeHome DSP control system. For this one, in the back side is our tooth changer part. We will show you after later. This one is our tooth magazines. It's a cylinder design. When the spindle come out to stay here, this one will come out to touch the tooth holder. When the tooth change finish, it will be back to this part. And that part is our tooth sensor for each tooth original part setting. Okay, this sample card for our LD5000, it's PVC material. For this shape, mainly used for wooden working or wooden furniture. You can see it's 2D carton. Also, you can working on this material for 3D engraving. Here is the sample by PVC. The edge of the card piece is very smoothly, and the shape is very beautiful and perfect to show this card performance for our LD5000. This one is our LD5600 sensor rotor, and this working size can be 1.3, 2.5, and also can be 2.0 meter with 3 meters. And this one, the spindle is 3.2 kilowatt water-cooled spindle. This spindle works with the CCD camera. It's a special design for this UV printing sun label board. For example, it can card for PVC, KT board, and also acrylic, wood, and MDF. If you need, also can working for simple aluminum or brass working. This one is printing by UV printer, so it's working with real UV printer together. And besides this CCD camera, we also can install with oscillating knife for KT board, especially if there have some sharp angles. It's need cut by the blade, by the oscillating knife. It can be 3-in-1 to match for sun age levels industrial application. And for this model, we also have the tooth sensor to touch the blade and make sure you find the correct place to start the work. And this one also can use servo motor, servo motor, and driver. Also, for this controller is our design with the software center. It belongs our company. Our company. Look at this design. This art design. This art is very suit for this art is ergonomic, and also every part we use is humanized design. When you use this computer or this controller, this height is very easy and very suit for your body, your length. And We also have the automatic lubrication to lubricate the guardrail for X, Y, Z axis. This one is gantry moving, and it's very traditional design. For this one, we have a special discount. If you need, please contact us in this screen. Okay, now we finished all model introduction. If you have interesting, please contact us. Now we are promote every model to all over the world. If you need, please get quotation from our website. Thank you.